Hello, this is Trudy with True and Healing Travel. Today I'm in beautiful San Juan, Puerto Rico, and I'm going to be taking you around the Wall of San Juan. Now this incredible, epic, historic landmark there's so much to see. So I'm going to be putting together videos from a couple different days and share with you the full journey around this incredible Wall of San Juan. So come along and join me and let's go. All right, so this is a good map of the walking tour today. Starting here at Paseo de la Princesa, and sorry if I'm not pronouncing things correctly, I'm gonna walk around to the San Juan Gate, and then El Morro, up to the castle, and then around to the San Cristobal Castle. And all right, there's the legendary food trucks that are supposed to be amazing here. Wow. Okay, so we're starting off in the Paseo de la Princesa. Ooh, churros. All right, so this is the, oh, it's gorgeous. The sculptures and fountain, it's called Raices, R-A-I-C-E-S. And it's symbolic of the cultural roots of Puerto Rico. Wow, that's gorgeous. All right, and let's go walk around this wall. I don't know what those are. They're cool. All right, here we are at the San Juan Gate. This is one of the 5 remaining ones. And this is an interesting crossroad. This is where people would come after a long journey, and they'd go through here. Now keep in mind, this is the thickness of the wall. And they would go up this street to San Juan Cathedral to thank for the blessings of a safe journey. All right, I am in one of the most scenic squares in Puerto Rico. It is the Rogativa Square, and Rogativa means procession. But the neat thing about this is it's right above the San Juan Wall, and on the western end there's a sentry box. The sun's right in the eyes now, but it's a great place for sunsets as well, and it's a great place to get a viewpoint of the Red Gate. Okay, so we are on the Del Morro National Recreational Trail. This is part of the San Juan National Historic Site, on our way to Del Morro. All right, here we go. Oh, this has got to be one of those most scenic walks you can do. Okay, so I have a really good view here, and there's a little sign here that gives a little explanation that the wall construction began in 1630 and it was completed in 1790. All right, this is so cool. Coming around and seeing the cliffs here. Wow. Whew. It feels so invigorating to be here. Whew. And there she is. so now we're at the end of the path and we're gonna go up the stairs to the castle. But I thought this was a really interesting. The water's so pretty, and all the plants along there, the greenery along the wall there. All right, folks, let's go. Oh, it's kind of neat to be between the greenery and then the water, and then next to the castle. When you come out, this is where you arrive. There's this big green space, and I think that's where they trained. It's now used for picnics and recreation. But let's go see the hours and possibly go inside. Okay, so entering Del Morro, and we have here a dry moat, which is part of the important part of the defenses. Okay, the best part is going in what they call a sentry box. Sentry stood guard in the observation posts strategically located throughout the fortifications and city walls. This is where you get those amazing views. And GoPro can fit through here, so I can go. And remember, this is my path that we walked to get here. Now the sun's getting ready to get a storm. And there's, oh, this is a good view from this side. Amazing. So this is so cool. That's a lighthouse. And there's the 3 flags. So this is as high as you can go. Let's take a look at the Great Plaza from here. Here's the Great Plaza. Alright, so from this viewpoint, leaving El Morro, you can see all the big green space in front of it, and just kind of to get the perspective, and this incredible, I'm going to go give it an overview of this incredible cemetery down there, and then I'll be walking to San Cristobal. So let's go see the cemetery. Okay, this is my favorite cemetery in the world, if you can have one of those. The Mary Magdalene Cemetery, right next to El Morro. Just so breathtaking. It's not open right now. I've been there. The sign says it's open in the morning, but walking through there is even more incredible. Oh, I just think it's so beautiful. But yeah, I'm kind of on this ledge here that you can get a really good view. Amazing. All right, so after seeing the El Morro and the cemetery, look what I found. I'm gonna have me some coconut milk. On video?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so this guy's gonna get me a coconut ready.
Yeah.
Great way to quench my thirst. Yay. All right, so walking along here, I'm just gonna continue down this street that hugs the coast here and go to San Cristobal Castle. All right, so walking along here, we have the San Juan Museum. And not only is there neat graffiti here, look at the puppy. What's the puppy's name?
Nyla.
Nyla? Hi, Nyla. What a sweetheart. Bye. It's always good to get anything with animals in the videos, right? I'm sure everyone agrees. But yeah, walking along here, vibrant graffiti here. There we go, kind of neat approaching it there. All right, just to give you perspective, that is El Morro over there, and this is San Cristobal right here. So two different ports. So we're on our way to San Cristobal now. Look at that beautiful ocean. Woo. We are at San Cristobal, and we're going to go into the entrance there. All right, here we go. All right, so as usual, I'm here for the views, and so I'm going to be going up there. And also, it's $10 to get in, and this goes for, you can go to both this fort and El Morro for the $10. All right, so being up here, it's amazing, but you know, nothing beats El Morro. That's my all-time fave. Just because of its setting right out on the edge of the peninsula. But up here, you get the views. I can't really show you because the city, it's right in the sun, but you can get the city. And then in the far distance, you can see El Morro along the coast and the beautiful cemetery there. And then on the other side, we got amazing views of the coastline. All right, how's that for some cannonballs there? Okay, we are so excited. We have reservations at this restaurant, Princesa. Isn't it amazing? Sitting outside, you can hear the bird. Anyway, it's been a great meal, great ending to a perfect day. Anyway, I hope you like this video. If you do, please like, comment, or subscribe. And bon voyage wherever you are. Bye from me and Anna. Say bye, Anna.
Bye.